Today we're going to talk about this trailer hitch lock. It's the tubular lock. Makes it so this cannot be pushed down over somebody's trailer ball. I'm going to use my tubular pick to pick it off for you guys. As you can see, it is locked. Here's my tubular pick. Loosen up that collar a bit. Flush all them picks up. And stick it in. Start this over again. There it is. See if I can't make us up a working key here. Well, anyway. There it is. You guys see that? Tubular pick. Pow.